Hey guys, this is Saeed with Fair Appliance Repair Service. I'm working on an LG dryer that is not heating on normal cycle. When I turn it on, it goes directly to normal. If I turn it on, it will keep running and running and running and running, but it will not get heat. However, when I put it on a different cycle, for example, look at that, normal here and normal here, it is not drying anything, it's not heating. So I'm gonna pause it. I leave this on here, that's okay. I just leave it there and I go here and just move that one from dry level, from normal to any other setting, back and down, like any of them, the heater comes on. We'll wait until I hear the noise of the gas flame for the burner to start burning. I hear it. That is it. So it comes on normal, but you have to change one of these setting here on this one, or you're gonna pause it. Instead of that one, you go to your time dry. Time dry 40 minutes. You can go up to 1 hour, 60 minutes, and then start it. It's drying. I'm just waiting for the burner to start. There you go. The burner start again. So everything with this dryer is good. The only problem it has is the normal cycle. The normal here and the normal here, they are not doing right. Somehow they are not communicating. There is two control board here, a small one here and a one here. They are not communicating, or maybe both of these control board is not communicating with the main control board, which is in the back. That's my thought, and I believe that is the solution. So if you have a dryer that is not drying on normal cycle, you can change the cycle. So just use heavy duty or just use time. But if you are using normal, you also change here from normal to different thing. I have seen it multiple times that the normal stop working, and that is like a communication problem between the control boards, and one of those control board has to be replaced. While these two is connected together, so this is come as one part, and the main control board, which is under the cover right here in this corner, is a separate part. And if you end up to replace all those parts, actually this dryer wouldn't worth it to get fixed, so need to get a new dryer. However, this dryer is just working. I would suggest not using the normal anymore because it's 1 hour anyway. I'm gonna use time dry instead of normal. I'm gonna use time dry, and then my dryer will be drying perfect and for a long time. LGs are very good washer and dryer. Based on my experience, especially their dryers are awesome. It's my professional experience and also my personal experience. Here's that, both of them. They are not the set, they are different. Look, that's a different dryer. The washer is different than this one, but they are sisters. So thank you for watching this video. I just wanted to give you guys some information here on how to bypass a no heat problem on your LG dryer from normal to any different thing. Thank you.